Hi everyone, this is Ms. Phillips. This is just a quick how-to video for those of you before you do your math assignment this week. I want to remind you of how to have two windows open at the same time so that you can watch the video of the lesson and then also be working on your own assignment at the same time. So once I log into Google Classroom, I'm going to click on my assignment, Virtual Math, for week of November 23rd through 24th. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on my assignment for the week, Google form that looks like this. And then I'm going to actually make my window smaller so that it's only taking up about half of my screen here. And then remember, we can play around with our zoom and how big we want our screen to look so that it's a little easier for you guys to see the thing as you're working in it. Then I'm going to come up here to the top of my window and click File and New Window. And then it's going to open up another thing for me. I'm just going to go back into Google Classroom, and you guys can do that from the icon on the bottom of your Chromebook. Then I'm going to click back into my math assignment, and I am going to open the document of me, the first part 1 video. So now I have my video over here, and then I also have my assignment over here on this side. And remember, I can kind of click back and forth, and I can take some of this stuff out if I want to, and then I can kind of play around with my zoom until I get it to where I can follow along with me in the video. So hopefully that helps you. It's just a reminder. I know Mr. Crow said you guys have been doing this quite a bit in social studies, so most of you probably already knew how to do that. But for those of you that may have forgotten, I just wanted to show you on this video so that you can complete your math assignment as easily as possible this week. Thanks, guys.